Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to discuss is what is a new paradigm. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Okay guys, so today what we're going to talk about is what even is a paradigm. I get these questions all the time, and the paradigm is the way you see the world. And you know what, I could upload so much videos just about the paradigm in itself, because I feel like it's so important, especially in the society that we're in of today. And it's good for someone to vocalize on it and speak about it, because when it comes to the whole paradigm world, we really need to look at it in a new way rather than the way we're seeing it. Because the paradigm that people are in right now, the ones that don't have that motivation, that have the mindset that, you know, a job is fine for me type of thing, their paradigm is them having that mindset where they feel like, you know, I'm secure in my job, that's fine. As long as I can pay the bills, then that I'm good to go. But I don't want you guys to feel like that. You guys who, if you come across my channel, honestly, I want you to come more deeper into what I do and learn more about what I do, because I want to show you guys that I want to take you out the paradigm world that you're in and transform you into the new paradigm, into how you should see the world, rather than what you're seeing the world right now. How most people think and believe is it's a form of destruction in their life. And the reason why I say that is because the way we were brought up, now I'm gonna get back into school days. I could be on forever about school days, but I'm gonna get back onto school days. When I was at school, and this was literally not so long ago because I'm 24 years old, but yeah, when I was at school, people had this mindset, the teachers had the mindset of that, you know, we need to have GCSEs. If we do not have GCSEs, we are failures. This is what they kept on putting in our minds, and that was scary for me, because I remember that when I got my GCSEs, I'm not even gonna lie, yes, I basically failed it. I got 2 GCSEs at the time, but a lot of them were D's. But really and truly, they were meant to be C's, but 2 weeks before they actually put out our results, they actually reduced it, so up the grades up. So they could have been C's, but I got D's. And of course, I was upset because, you know, in school, A star to C is fine. Anything below is which is bad. And so I felt like, oh my gosh, what am I going to be in life? And I remember that like it was yesterday. And I'm honestly so grateful for God how my mindset actually changed. Because when I actually got that, I felt like, what am I actually going to be now? Like the way they put it in our heads that, you know, if you fail your GCSEs, if you fail your A-levels or whatever it is, you will be a failure. And that is so far from the truth. Look guys, ask yourself this question. You see these big boys, these millionaires, these billionaires. I don't want to stop you guys from obviously learning education, because yes, it's important. Knowledge is power. But what I'm trying to say to you guys is that don't let a certificate determine who you are. And I really believe in that, because with a lot of people now, you know, some people commit suicide. What we're going through right now is a pandemic, and this is really affecting people when it comes to their university, when it's coming to their GCSEs. People are even committing suicide because they feel like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? You know, I'm not getting the education that I need, and so on. But I want you guys to sit back and understand that you can do anything you put your mind to. I don't want you lot to feel like if you don't have X, Y, Z, you're not gonna become this big person. Because just honestly, it's right in front of your face. These millionaires, billionaires, a lot of them do not even have a degree, but no one wants to question that. And I really don't understand why. So many people don't want to question, oh, but this person had blah, blah, blah. But, you know, they're fine. No one wants to talk about that in school. What they want to talk about is you need to get your GCSEs, otherwise you're a failure. And that really hit home for me at the time. Guys, it was on my birthday as well. On my birthday, I found out I failed my GCSEs. I was probably, how old? 16 years old or something. Do you know how my world, I promise you, I felt like the whole world was dark. like I'm gonna become a drug dealer or something. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that was my mindset. I'm not even gonna lie with you guys, that was my mindset. I thought, what am I gonna be? And it's scary and it's sad because why has society made us think like this? We shouldn't think like this. And I always say thank you to God for overcoming that, because even though when one door closes, another one opens. No one said to me at school that there is BTEC, did they? All they told us was, as soon as you finish your GCSEs, then you're going to get onto your A-levels. No one said that there was other ways around it, and that's how you should see life as well. Because if you do not try and find for the answer, it's not going to come to you. Don't feel sorry for yourself if you're in a situation and you feel like, gosh, what am I going to do next? You need to find it. I was only able to find it because you know what? My mum actually said to me, Abby, like, it's fine. She showed me different options, and I'm so blessed to have her, of course, in my life, because she actually showed me that way through. Other people were just like, oh, what are you gonna do now? And that is sad. And this is why, even me, I'm a mother myself, and as a parent, I'm gonna teach my child that you can do anything you put your mind to. Don't let nobody limit you, because look, the society that we are in right now is full of certifications. If you got a degree, if you got whatever you have, you should be financially rewarded, right? But the new paradigm that I want to show you guys is we should look at the optimization of the market. What are you bringing to the table in the market, and what is the result we're feeding off of? Are you getting results? That's what you should be rewarded by. And so I just want to say to you that it's such a huge thing, because I want so many people to see this video, because it touches my heart so much, because the way the people make us think in this society is scary. And I want a lot of young people to see this and understand that if you, God forbid, fail your GCSEs, there's other ways around it. You could do BTEC level 2 for 1 year, and then go to BTEC level 3. And with that level 3, it's equivalent to an A level. And with me personally, I was a person who I actually enjoyed doing more courses, as in writing things down rather than remembering things in my brain and putting in an exam. I hated that. So I was very good with coursework. And when I went to college and I did business level 3, I got distinction stars. Triple distinction stars. And I said to myself, wow, like I knew I'm talented at the end of the day. No paper can tell me if I'm talented or not, honestly. But what I'm saying is, you have a gift. You can do anything you put your mind to. Don't let nobody tell you different. Sorry, I seem like I'm a teacher. I'm holding a pen. I'm holding a pen. But guys, don't let nobody tell you that you can't do what you can't do. You can do anything you put your mind to. So do not let qualifications stress your mind. Please do not think of no suicide. There's always ways around it. Just seek for it, find it. Don't feel sorry for yourself. That's one thing a lot of people do, just feel sorry for themselves. Don't feel sorry for yourself. Just think about it, seek it, find it, and then you will get the answer, I promise you. But don't be sitting on your bed, upset, thinking about, oh my gosh, what am I gonna become now? Because you could become anything you put your mind to, and I will keep repeating that. And guys, I hope we're gonna come to the end now. I hope you enjoyed this video today. And what I'm gonna do is, I want you to click this link up here, and I want you to see 3 ways that you could shift your mindset, your paradigm, and that will really help you. You will start shifting your mindset so that you can see the new paradigm that you need to see. And guys, so I hope you enjoyed today. I want you to comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me, what do you want me to speak about? And guys, before we go as well, make sure you add my Instagram. It's Abby O'Neary. It's going to be right here. And guys, yeah, watch the next video, because we're going to go even more deeper into this. And I'm so excited to see you there. Bye.